but we have to clean up our toys first. Hi, I'm Jormane.
And I'm Jenny.
Come join us as we make snacks.
Yes, let's go.
First, we have to wash our hands. Put the cooking cap on. Wear the apron.
I'm so excited to make palitaw.
Do you know what palitaw is?
Palitaw is made of glutinous rice flour, roasted sesame seeds, and sugar. For this, we use 3 tablespoons each. Grated coconut, half cup of water, or you could use a little bit more. We will also need a mixing bowl. Now pour in glutinous rice flour.
Now we pour in the water. Now let's mix it. Let's mix some dough.
Now, let's divide the dough in small pieces. Now, let's make a ball-shaped figure.
Let's flatten it. I have to wash my hands after this. Yeah, my hands again.
This is so much fun.
Yes. This boiling water and a cooking pot. Ask for Mom's help.
Let's put in the flattened dough. When the flattened dough starts to float, remove them from the pot. And set aside, allowing water to drip. Roll the rice cake and the grated coconut. Cover the rice cake with roasted sesame seeds and sugar. It's time to eat! Yummy palitaw!
I am Jormane. And I'm Jenny.
We live in interesting times.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys like it, and make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe here at EBC Digital Nest so you don't miss any of our upcoming features.